So if you want to replace your broken Kia door handle, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first, you want to gather your tools and parts. Now before you start here, make sure you have a replacement handle assembly, like matching your Kia's model and color if possible. Basic tools like a Phillips flat screwdrivers or a socket wrench, often a 10mm here, and perhaps a trim panel tool as well. For some of those, you'll find hidden bolts beneath plastic covers. And also a clean and safe workplace and patience, so you'll be working inside the door. So next thing that you want to do is you want to remove the interior door panel here. So getting access is key here. Now the handle is mounted inside the door, so you need to remove the panel covering it. So remove any screws hidden under the plastic caps or inside the armrest or handle area. So use a trim tool or gently use a flat screwdriver wrapped in tape to pry open the panel, starting at the bottom and working around the clips. Disconnect any electrical connectors like window switch, speakers, so you can move the panel away without straining things. And basically, with the panel away here, you can now see the handle's mounting bolts and linkage rods. Now, sometimes you need to peel back a vapor or water shield plastic sheet to access bolts, and also locate and remove the bolts here, often 10mm, and secure the exterior handle. Now, you want to go ahead and just disconnect the linkage rods and disconnect or that connect the handle to the latch mechanism. So in this case, maybe like remove the key cover or the handle, find the black rubber plug here, and basically remove it to gain access to a 10mm bolt. So yeah, pull out the old handle from the outside of the door, being careful not to damage paint or trap any cables here. And you may want to install the new handle here. Now install the new handle into place from the outside. Make sure it's aligned properly as well with the mounting holes. So reattach with the linkage rods to the handle so the handle operates the latch properly. Secure the new handles with the bolts so you removed, tightening them to snug, but don't over tight them, and also basically risk stripping as well. So if you peel back any plastic shield, reposition it and make sure it's sealed. And go ahead and just reinstall the door panel and basically test it. Now reconnect the electrical connectors here you detached earlier. So snap the door panel back into place, starting with the clips, then reinstall screws, covers, and before finishing here, test the handle, open, close the door from inside and outside, and lock and unlock it if applicable, and ensure everything operates smoothly. Now, if it works, you're done. Or if it feels off, like the handle feels loose or locking doesn't behave properly, then double check the linkage and the bolts as well. And also, if you need assistance on this one, and you're not sure, you're not confident with changing this yourself, you may want to seek professional help. So yeah, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.